I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you've had to cancel your plans and need a refund for your Eventbrite ticket, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Find your order. Navigate to the ticket section in your account. Look for the event for which you need a refund. Click on it to view your order details. Step 3. Request a refund. In the order details, look for the Request a Refund option. Click on it and follow the prompts to submit your refund request. Make sure to provide any necessary details. Step 4. Check refund policy. Before submitting, review the event's refund policy. Some events may have specific rules about refunds, including deadlines or conditions. Step 5. Monitor your email. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates. Eventbrite will notify you about the status of your refund, which can take a few days to process. Sometimes, refunds can take longer than expected, especially if the event was large or had many cancellations. Just be patient and check your spam folder for any missed emails. I hope this helps you get your refund easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.